6 applications to help you make a better photographer. Number 1, Photographer's Companion. It's a shoot planning application that will tell you the exact timing for sunrise, sunset, golden hour, blue hour, star trail, and will also help you with the camera settings for that particular lighting condition. It's loaded with augmented reality that helps you in visualizing your location remotely. The camera settings calculation feature will not just save your time but will also be of great help to the beginners. Number 2, Pocket Light Meter on Apple and Light Meter on Android. So if you don't have those expensive light meter and you wish to light up each and every part of your frame, this app is for you. Number 3, are you an introvert photographer or have difficulty in explaining those poses to your model or subject? Then this app is for you. SOVS2 is a Korean application that helps you in visualizing a composition with a wide variety of poses that are available in form of white outlines. All you need to do is click a picture of your frame with the pose of your choice from the outline library and then show it to your model. And if you're stuck in a situation where you have to be photographed by a phone camera, and that too by someone who's completely alien to photography, all you need to do is pick your desired pose from the menu, hand over your camera to the photographer and ask him to superimpose that avatar on you. And you have a good picture. This way, you're not just training the stranger, but also end up getting your dream shot in the location. For more such applications, stay tuned for the part 2.